These are big blinks, okay? Big blinks. They will get delivered to your house much faster. I'm trying to give you guys all angles so that you guys can see, but this is what they look like.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I have another affordable 3D mink lash review. My last mink lash video was based on AliExpress and those lashes were like dirt cheap, like $2. These are a little bit more expensive, but they are still on the affordable side. I can't wait to show you guys all about it, so let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so I got these lashes today from Mink Appeal. Let me show you guys the packaging. It came in this purple little tie bag, which is really cute. I love purple. Purple is definitely my aesthetic right now. I'm really feeling the purple for some reason, but yeah, it comes in this little bag and I got 3 styles of lashes, one of which I am wearing today, and I'll show you guys later on in the video what they look like, how I put them on, etc, etc. You guys can see it's just a standard white box, but I do like the little purple glitter on the side. And if you go ahead and open it, this is an empty box. These are the lashes that I'm wearing today. But this is what the empty box looks like. These lashes retail for $12, and of course I'm coming at you guys with a discount code. If you guys watch this other YouTuber, her name is Janie. She has a coupon code with Mink Appeal, and that's what I used to purchase this, and I think it was 25% off. So that brings the price down to what? If I'm doing the math properly, that brings these lashes from $12 down to around $9 each, which is a great price for mink lashes. Like, why does she always ask us to like the video? I'm telling you guys, it helps me so much if you guys thumbs up the video. So if it takes 1 second, 2 seconds, however long it takes, please leave this video a big thumbs up so that more people can see this video, okay? This is what popping looks like. These are really pretty. These are more of like, this one is drama, okay? This one is giving you vibes. These are big blinks, okay? Big blinks. But I definitely would say that these are more of a thicker wispy lash, but they do give you that wispy effect. But these are probably going to be super dramatic once you put them on, as you guys can see, because it is quite thick. So that is popping, which is a good name because they are popping. And this one, I don't know which lash this is because it didn't come with anything on the back, and it didn't come with any like words on the inside either. But these are more of like your typical basic demi wispies. These look very similar to my Ardell demi wispies that I would get from the beauty supply store. So this is just like the basic demi wispy lash. It's not super dramatic. It's very natural. There's not too much hair on this lash, as you guys can see, compared to, let me compare it to popping so you guys can see. This looks super dramatic and this one looks a lot more natural. So if you're doing like a no makeup look or something like that, this one would be the one to go for. And obviously I'll have everything linked in the description box below because there's no name on this one, but I will have it linked down below so that you guys know which one this is. And last but not least are Lushes, which are the ones that I'm wearing now. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I put them on and everything like that. Let me just show you guys really quickly. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the lashes on so you guys can see what they look like. How much do I need to cut off at the edge? And it seems like I do need to cut off like just the teentiest bit so it can fit my eye. Where's the inner part of the lash? Am I crazy? So let's just snip off like the smallest amount, like literally half of that last piece. We're gonna cut off. I put my lashes on the same way every single time. I already have a video out on how I do it. If you're interested in learning how to put on your false lashes quick and easily, I'll have that video linked in the description box below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward through this and show you guys what this style looks like. They are gorgeous. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the other one. Okay, you guys, so these are the lashes in the style Luscious. They look amazing. They're super fluffy, they feel nice, the band isn't too thick, they don't make my eye itch at all, they feel really good, really pretty. It's not super thick and out there, but they're still really long and super flirty, and you definitely can notice them. So these are like the perfect date night lash. Like, if you're giving date night vibes, or if you're going out to dinner with friends or something, this is a cute little lash to throw on. I love them. I'm trying to give you guys all angles so that you guys can see, but this is what they look like. They're not too much, they're not too thick on the outsides. A lot of times with mink lashes, they just put too much hair on them, and especially towards the ends, and your eyes just look like they're being weighed down, and you're kind of looking like this, like your eyes are barely open because the lash is just so thick and so heavy. But these are really beautiful, I guess, I don't know, density of hair, if that makes sense. It's not too thick. It's definitely a very natural lash, but they give you that length for the drama. I'm glad I chose to put this one on for you guys today because it looks really cute. Those are the lashes. Like I said, I think these lashes are really good quality. They're at a great price. Obviously, a lot of companies are taxing on the mink lashes, okay? I'm a firm believer in not spending above $15 for lashes, okay? It's just ridiculous. I'm not spending $30 on lashes that I'm gonna take off after I come back from the club, leave them on my nightstand, and not be able to find them the next day. It's not worth it, okay? It's not worth it. So these are really good quality, affordable lashes, and they got to me within 5 to 7 days. I can't remember exactly how long it took, but no longer than that. I was updated throughout the whole process. They let me know when it was shipped. They let me know when it got to the facility, when it was gonna be out for delivery. So their customer service, I'd say, is really good. I got the alerts to my phone, so whenever there was an update, I would get the text messages, and I really like that. You know, I hate when I order something and it's rocket silence until I get it in the mail. I like to be updated along the way. So yeah, their customer service is really good. A+ on the shipping. I know a lot of you guys were concerned in my affordable mink lash video from AliExpress that it would take a long time to get your lashes, and I get it. Everybody doesn't want to wait 2 to 3 weeks to get something that they ordered online. You know, our generation is all about instant gratification, instant results. You want to order something and get it in 2 days because Amazon Prime has spoiled us, okay? So they will get delivered to your house much faster than, you know, AliExpress lashes, and you pay a little bit more for them, but I think it's worth it to pay a little bit more to get something faster, but that's just me. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these lashes, I will have all of the information that you can think of in the description box below. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I'm always down to answer questions, and you guys all know that I answer every single one of my comments. So please, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a video, and you'll never miss a day. And when you're finished, be sure to comment down below in the comment section #notification gang or notification squad, whatever you want to write, so that I can shout you out in my next video. Can you guys freaking believe that we hit 200,000 views on this channel? That's crazy. That is freaking crazy. 200,000 views. Like, I can't wait until we hit 1 million, and we're at around 1,300 subscribers. So make sure you guys are turning on your notification button. Make sure you're pressing that thumbs up. I will see all of you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.
'Cause I know every man has a fear of a strong-minded woman, but I say she's a keeper if she got it on her own and keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. If she can keep it all